Thug Life.
This is a Southbeat Productions.
The initiation.
Money is to bind, like distractions is to blind. If you fill the world with fate, there's no freedom, only crime is a time. Time for you to open up your mind. It's a diamond, can you find them? Yeah, it's P-E-A-C-E and I'm tryna remind them. Life, can we find peace? Carrying a piece just to take your brother's fleece. And it seems to me that nobody will believe that the love of money is the root of all evil. Can you see? It's the beast. You killing your brother while I'm tryna kill this beat. Tryna live a life that you seen on TV. Tell live vision, what is your mission? You carrying the heat, so you staying in the kitchen? Life, that's life, but that ain't living.
This life I'm living ain't an easy one. Tag put in front of me, all I have to do is take one, but I don't like shit given to me, because who am I if I'm living a life that I don't perceive? Living other people's dream, living a lie. This isn't my identity, it's more like a disguise that I use for people to remember and reprise me. And nothing you can say can ever define me, because you're entitled to your own opinion. But when I express myself, I say fuck your feeling. Because I'll be out in London one day, sipping margaritas on a nice cool Sunday. Someday, maybe one day I could be the biggest in the game, but I'm not that hungry or thirsty for fame. But I'm not your ordinary guy or ordinary person. Everything I got was through hard working. Why does by any means have to be through violence? I don't know, but I just keep on rhyming. Climbing to top, I won't stop till you see.
Impurity is majority, individuality is cool. Don't be a fool. Thug life is cool, but just be you.